Now my fan, my #1 fan, has sent me a parcel.
Yep, and it's from kind Amy Gordon on UK Lock Sport and YouTube. Thank you, my dear, and I can't wait to open it.
So let's get on with it. So I'm just going to see where I need to cut it.
Yeah, just be careful on that edge, that's it.
Thanks for this, Amy. And I will be coming, well, whenever I go to Liverpool, I'll be coming round to have a little chat and a cup of coffee.
Yep, cup of tea or a cup of coffee.
What's this?
I'm not sure. Let's have a look.
These colours.
Could be a pick inside there, darling.
Pick?
I'm not sure. You might have to try cut along that tape. Let's have a look at this letter.
Whilst you're looking at that letter, I'll just try to see if there's anything in this.
Just be very careful though.
Can you help me? Whilst you're doing that, you can maybe read that thing. What does it say?
Well, with me holding the camera, you might have to hold this.
Okay.
I'm not sure if we're going to get through.
Aha! Oh no.
Alright, let me look. Just keep hold of it. Don't worry, I won't hit your fingers.
And as I see what's inside, can you read that thing?
Alright, try open that.
Something's in it.
Right, just landed there. Oh wow,
Whoa, what's that?
it's a pick.
What kind of one? What's
So,
it called?
looks like a short hook.
Whoa.
That's outstanding, is that? It's a mini me pick.
What does it say on
That's
here?
fantastic, Amy.
And I also saw something else in here about my big cousin.
Right, let's have a look.
No, I can't
Hi,
look.
Pickbaby. Let's have a look. What's it? A baton padlock.
Whoa, thanks.
Right, let me read this. Hi, Pickbaby. How are you?
Fine.
Oh, and so excited for you to receive a special, sorry, it's creased up, a special gift from me and the babies. You, Pickbaby, we are huge fans. We have made for you. Please remember, this is my very first pick I've made, and it's a short hook.
It must be this one.
It's perfect size for you, Jacob, so I decided to make you a junior sized pagoda.
What's a pagoda?
Ah, pagoda, it's a rake that'll be in there. Pagoda, or my own attempt at a pagoda. So watch them from the start of your very own homebrew custom pick set. Okay, my little friend, I really hope you like them, and feel free to let me know of any faults or where I need to improve.
You definitely will need to improve this.
No, they're fantastic. I'll keep you updating your picks. Everyone's perfect.
Isn't that awesome, guys?
Oh wow, now that is really, really nice. Say picks, everyone, and perfect a new one. I've also enclosed a common lock used and sold in this area. It has no key, but key we don't need a key for. I have about 4 all keyed alike, and have one key for all. We'll take care and enjoy. Lots of love, your biggest fans, Amy. There you go.
And it says kiss, 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 kiss on it. Now, as you've seen, I've opened this. Now I'll just open the last thing.
Can you get in alright? Alright, it should be okay.
There. This is going to be quite good. Take off the name here. So I'll stick it. So I'll put that up later.
It's alright.
What's a picture?
What's that fell out?
Whoa. Is that tension wrench? When I said that fell before, I didn't stick on me. Oops.
Well, that is fantastic. Homebrew tension wrench, custom made picks, and a baton padlock. That's just what it was wrapped in, darling.
This is also some pictures.
Let's have a look at the back. What does it say on there? Slim tension wrench
So,
for small, what does it say? For small keyways. So Amy has actually made that probably for that padlock.
well, I quite like this picture of the boat.
Yeah, we'll keep those as well.
Thanks, Amy. I love you so much. Like I said, I will be coming to your house next time we go.
Yep, we'll pop over for a cup of tea.
Not for me, for the water for me.
Yeah, oh yeah, Pickbaby likes his water. So again, thank you so much, Amy. The pics are outstanding. It's a shame my camera does not autofocus while filming. But that's beautiful. And that's the short hook. So thank you, hun. They are outstanding.
Actually, this looks quite good. It looks like the baby sent these, and then she sent this.
Maybe. Yeah.
Oh.
So their biggest groupies. So guys, thanks for watching.
And please keep it legal.
Thanks guys.
Bye.
Bye.